Navigating the treacherous seas of finance, you as a finance manager know the importance of a solid risk management strategy. It's about being prepared, staying vigilant, and most importantly, being equipped with the right tools. Enter ChatGPT, your AI-powered first mate in this journey. Imagine you're at the helm of Aerodynamics Inc., just like Sophia. You're eyeing global expansion, but with it comes a storm of financial risks. Traditional tools, they're like using a sextant when you've got GPS at your fingertips. That's where ChatGPT comes in. You feed it historical data, current financial metrics, and watch as it becomes your predictive powerhouse. It's not just about identifying risks, it's about understanding them. ChatGPT can highlight potential risk hotspots, suggest actionable mitigation strategies, and even project how these risks could impact your company's objectives. Now, let's break down your new AI toolkit. First up, proactive detection. ChatGPT can help you identify financial risks before they fully surface. This means you can take preemptive measures, staying one step ahead. Next, scenario analysis. With AI, you can simulate various financial scenarios. This isn't just about predicting the future, it's about being prepared for any future. Then there's adaptive learning. Keep feeding ChatGPT the latest data, and its risk predictions will grow sharper, more attuned to the ever-changing business landscape. But remember, your human intuition is irreplaceable. AI provides a sophisticated radar, but your experience and judgment are the compass that guides the ship. Sophia leveraged ChatGPT to shift Aerodynamics risk management from a reactive stance to a proactive one. Her story is a testament to the power of perseverance and innovation. By integrating AI into your risk management framework, you can ensure that your company's voyage through the financial markets is not only secure, but also strategically sound. So take the helm with ChatGPT as your first officer in risk management. Together, you'll not just weather the storms, but navigate through them with precision and foresight. Hey, I hope you find this valuable. Elevate your financial management career with AI proficiency and reduce your job loss risk by 60%. Seize this chance, the Finance Manager AI Handbook, audiobook and video training for just $29, all tailored for your role. Secure your future at CompleteAITraining.com/finance manager. Don't miss out. All right, let's dive into the world of risk management, where the stakes are high and the uncertainties are plenty. Now imagine having a tool that not only simplifies your life, but also sharpens your decision-making. That's where ChatGPT comes in, a game changer for finance managers like you. First up, risk assessment automation. You're used to juggling data, trying to predict the next big financial storm. ChatGPT can take on that heavy lifting, analyzing vast amounts of information to identify potential risks before they even hit your radar. Then there's scenario analysis. Picture this, you're crafting strategies for multiple what-if situations. ChatGPT can help you simulate various outcomes, providing insights that ensure you're prepared for whatever the market throws your way. Moving on to risk monitoring and reporting. It's like having a vigilant watchdog that never sleeps. ChatGPT continuously scans for anomalies, delivering real-time alerts and detailed reports that keep you one step ahead. Fraud detection? It's a tough nut to crack, but ChatGPT's pattern recognition abilities can spot inconsistencies that might indicate fraudulent activity, safeguarding your company's assets and reputation. Compliance management is another battlefield. With regulations constantly evolving, ChatGPT can help you navigate this complex landscape, ensuring you stay on the right side of the law and avoid costly penalties. Insurance analysis can be a maze of probabilities and projections. ChatGPT can assist in evaluating policies, optimizing coverage, and even predicting future claims, making sure your insurance strategies are bulletproof. Lastly, there's business continuity planning. In the face of disruptions, ChatGPT can help you develop robust contingency plans, minimizing downtime and keeping the wheels of your business turning no matter what. So, whether it's automating assessments or crunching complex scenarios, ChatGPT is your ally in the intricate dance of risk management. It's not just about managing risks, it's about outsmarting them. And with ChatGPT, you're always one step ahead. Hey, quick commercial break. Training in finance management sharpens your financial acumen, making you an indispensable asset to your organization. Act now and get your Finance Manager Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, tailored to your role. It's a smart investment. Find it all at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, let's dive into the world of risk management, where uncertainty meets strategy and where ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Imagine you're juggling vendors like a circus act. Vendor risk management isn't just about catching the balls, it's about predicting where they'll land. ChatGPT steps in as your crystal ball, analyzing vendor histories, contracts, and performance data to keep those balls in the air with ease. Now, pivot to the digital realm. Cybersecurity risk assessment. It's like a game of digital chess against unseen opponents. ChatGPT is your grandmaster, sifting through endless streams of data, identifying vulnerabilities, and helping you strategize your next cybersecurity move before the hackers even think of making theirs. Market risk analysis, that's another beast. The markets are as temperamental as the weather. Using ChatGPT, you can dissect market trends, news, and economic indicators, crafting a forecast that helps you brace for the storm or catch the perfect tailwind. Credit risk management? It's all about trust, but verify. You're extending a handshake with one hand and holding a magnifying glass in the other. ChatGPT can be that lens, scrutinizing credit reports, financial statements, and even social data to give you a clearer picture of who you're dealing with. And let's not forget operational risk assessment. It's the gears of your organization, and you need them running smoothly. ChatGPT is like your operations detective, examining processes, sniffing out inefficiencies, and ensuring compliance to keep the machine well-oiled. In the end, risk management is about making informed decisions, and ChatGPT is here to light up the path with insights and foresight. It's about turning what-ifs into what's next, and with ChatGPT, you're always one step ahead. So, let's harness this AI power and turn risks into opportunities. This is a limited preview of our comprehensive training. Discover more at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. For just $29, you get 10 hours of video training, a complete audiobook, and a 300-plus page book tailored to your job. We'll go in depth about all the specific tasks and subtasks of your job, showing how AI can make you more efficient, guide your transition to AI integration, and make you an AI expert. Plus, AI proficiency can increase your income by 20% to 200%, reduce your job loss risk by 60%, and enhance your employability by 300%. Visit completeaitraining.com/finance manager to start your journey.